Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, nighttime routine, and I'm so excited to do this video because I have not done a nighttime routine since we lived in Vancouver in our condo. So it's been a while. I got really inspired to do like a little husband and a wife nighttime routine, wifey and hubby. I thought that might be kind of fun. So if you guys want to see more like morning routine, nighttime routine videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And I always love filming these. I don't know why, but they're just like so fun. I find there's just so many different scenes and it's just awesome. So they are some of my favorite videos to watch here on YouTube as well. Subscribe now and also hit that little notification bell to get notified on future videos on your phone. Awesome videos coming up for you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Also, please head on over to my vlog channel and subscribe to that channel too. I cannot believe we are almost at 20,000 on the vlog channel, guys. It is unbelievable, and I'm just so happy I started that channel, and you guys just get to see so much of my life on that channel, to be honest. You see lots of Maxie, Ryan's in there too, and just, I love that channel so much, so I'd really appreciate it. And without further ado, I'm gonna get started with my nighttime routine. So first thing that happens when I get home is I see my little Maxie, and he always gets so excited at the door. It's the most adorable thing ever, and he runs up to me, and then of course he goes and sniffs all the shoes. He's such a shoe thief. It is so funny. He has an obsession with shoes. And then I go into my dining room. Usually I check my emails, and then after I've checked my emails, I also head on over to my YouTube channel and I check out all the comments on the vlog channel, my main channel. If you're a regular subscriber on my channel, you probably notice how much I comment and how often I comment, so it's really important to me, so make sure you guys leave some love. Also subscribe to my vlogs if you haven't. Ryan and I actually always alternate with cooking, so today he's gonna be cooking and I'm also lighting a candle. We almost always light a candle. I just find it really relaxing, and it's actually Ryan's birthday, guys, so make sure you leave him some love in the comments down below. Today I'm uploading, which will be his birthday, and I'm just super excited. We're gonna have an awesome weekend. I'm gonna take him out for dinner. But to get back to our routine, we almost always make a chicken quinoa salad. We've tried to be really healthy lately, so we're just cutting up some spinach and also just cutting up some carrots, and we usually put a lot of veggies in our salads. So that is what the salad looks like when it's done. There's just a lot of color to it. We also add a lot of olives because I am really obsessed with pickles and olives. But anyways, we also add spices, so usually lemon pepper onto our chicken or our beef. So yeah, that is what we're adding on, just some spices, and I got these from HomeSense. If you want to see any of the kitchenware that I have or like anything to do with home decor, that is always on my vlog channel, so make sure you guys head over there if you guys want to see that. We're also making quinoa right now. I'm almost always Snapchatting, so if you guys haven't added me on Snapchat yet, it's SLMissGlam, and of course I'm obsessed with Bitmoji and little pink hearts, so I'm always putting those on my Snapchats. To show you guys my bar card. It's like one of my newest obsessions over Christmas time, and I love it so much. It's rose gold, and we have this like Canadian whiskey right here, and it's actually coffee flavored, so I just think that's really awesome because you guys know I love coffee so much. After dinner, I head to the washroom. I usually take off all of my jewelry on my little Hello Gorgeous tray. So I've got my Michael Kors watch and then also my Michael Kors earrings that I just take off. And then, of course, my wedding ring. I like to keep our bands in this cute little box that I got off Amazon. So there's Ryan's ring, and then I put mine in here as well, just if I'm showering or having a bath or anything like that. And moving on to skincare, I have been using the TATCHA line for a while now, and it is just really working for my skin. And every day I go in with my cleanser, and it's a oil cleanser, which is perfect for my skin. I have really, really oily skin, so it just removes all of my makeup, and I just love the feel of it. It's really, really lightweight texture. It's not a heavy oil, and it just takes off all my makeup and cleanses my skin, so I absolutely love it. Go in with the deep cleanse, which is like a new cleanser they've come out with, and it's like an exfoliating cleanser, and I love this. It's also an oil base, and it's really, really lightweight, but I love that it's an exfoliator too, so it really, really gets deep into my pores, and I just love the feel after. My skin feels so soft and smooth. Trying out this new toner that I got, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and it feels amazing on the skin. And I just love the smell. It smells like roses, and I love like how pure the Fresh line is. Everything about it is just so luxurious. So I really, really have been enjoying it. I go in with my moisturizer, and I've been using the water cream. This is actually my second jar of it. It is so hydrating, and I wear it morning and night, and it also smells really, really amazing too. I love the TATCHA line so, so much. And next I go in with eye cream, and the eye cream I've been using is this Arctic Kiehl's eye cream, and I'm actually almost out of it, so I just thought it was okay. I didn't find it was like hydrating enough, so if there's anything you guys can recommend, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm literally scraping out the tiniest little bit that's left, so I desperately need a new eye cream ASAP. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. That would be much appreciated. And I just pat that on right underneath my eyes. After I'm done with my skincare, I grab my toothbrush and I brush my teeth. One of the most relaxing things for me to do at night would definitely be having a bath. So I am going to have a bath, and I'm also using some of the new products that I got from Bath & Body Works. And before that, of course, I light a candle, one of my favorite things for relaxation. And I'm actually going in with this new shower gel that I got, and it's actually a bubble bath as well. And it's a stress relief, and it smells amazing. So I'm just going to go in with this. And I love the fact it makes my entire bath smell like lavender. It smells so good. And I'd probably say my favorite shower and bath products would be Bath & Body Works. And I also sometimes go in with bath bombs, so like the Lush ones or these ones I actually got from HomeSense. And right after I have my bath, I always comb out my hair because I love to go to bed with my braid. Since I do wear tape-ins, I find that they're really manageable when I put my hair into a braid. So that's what I'm doing right now. And before I tuck myself into bed, I am just going to set my alarm for the morning, and I always just use my iPhone. And I'm also going in with this deep sleep pillow spray. I got this recently at Sephora. It smells like chamomile and it smells heavenly, and it's called This Works. So it's a new brand I'm trying out, and it actually smells so nice, and it makes me want to fall asleep. So I really, really have been enjoying it, and I just spray it on my sheets and then also on my pillows as well. And I pretty much just relax in bed for a while. I sometimes go on Instagram, check out my YouTube, see what's going on with you guys, and that is pretty much it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my nighttime routine, and also as a wifey. And if you guys have a different sort of routine or whatever it is that you guys do at night, then definitely leave a comment down below on what your routine looks like. Alright guys, so that was my nighttime routine. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and of course, please let me know in the comments down below what your nighttime routines look like. I always love hearing, since I know everyone's are usually so different, but realistically, that is what our nighttime routine is right now. It's so relaxing, and it's just so nice to just hang out with Maxie and my husband. So, and of course, make sure you guys subscribe before you guys leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!